One thing to note is on the HD models, they come with a different air spring bag, and on some applications you may need to add this, what we call bump spacer, to the paddle of the hitch, where you'd use these Allen wrench and put it on there. And what we're trying to do is keep this airbag level, or it can be slightly extended when it's aired up. So on the HDs, on the 2 inches, because the airbag for the HD is 1 inch smaller than the 14K airbag, it has this installed. On the 2.5, it's in the box. It's not included in the 14K models because the airbag is already 1 inch taller than the HD, so it often does not need it. If you do need it, give us a call. We'll hook you up with one. To learn more or to find a dealer near you, visit us at shockerhitch.com.